Imagine a world where robots not only assist care workers, but they also mimic their actions. Intriguing, isn't it? Picture this: dressing robots, lending a helping hand, or rather a helping claw, to our healthcare heroes. But could these steel caregivers ever truly replace the compassionate touch of a human care worker? Could a handful of wires and circuits emulate the warmth of human interaction? Let's embark on a journey to explore the reality of dressing robots. The concept of dressing robots is not a sci-fi movie plot anymore, it's reality knocking on our doors. You see, the journey to the dawn of dressing robots has been a marathon, not a sprint. It all started in the late 20th century with the birth of modern robotics. Robots were designed to perform repetitive tasks in the industry, but soon, the visionaries of the time began to see the potential for these machines in broader fields. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we've seen incredible breakthroughs in robot technology. Who could forget the year 2011, when the first robot was able to mimic human movements? Or when in 2016, a robot successfully performed a delicate surgical procedure? These milestones paved the way for the development of robots that could assist in personal care tasks, like dressing. But the real game changer came in 2022, when the first prototype of a dressing robot was unveiled. This robot was able to mimic the actions of care workers, a feat that was once thought to be beyond the realm of possibility. The robot's ability to gently handle clothing and assist in dressing tasks was a groundbreaking development, one that opened the door to a whole new era of personal care robotics. This remarkable achievement was the result of years of research and development, and it marked a pivotal moment in the history of robotics. With this breakthrough, the concept of a robot that could assist in dressing tasks moved from the realm of science fiction to reality. And here we are in 2024, standing on the threshold of a new era. The dawn of dressing robots is upon us. These machines are no longer just figments of our imagination, but tangible products of our technological advancement. What's even more fascinating is that this is just the beginning. The potential of dressing robots is vast and largely unexplored. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the capabilities of these robots, leading us into an exciting and largely uncharted future. The dawn of dressing robots has begun, and it's more exciting than ever. What makes these dressing robots so special, you may ask? Let's delve into their functionalities. At the heart of these dressing robots is the ability to mimic human actions, a feat achieved through a blend of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics. This capability allows them to assist in dressing tasks, a crucial need for individuals with mobility issues or healthcare professionals dealing with a high patient load. To understand this, imagine a toddler learning to tie their shoelaces. They watch, they try, they fail, they try again, and eventually, they master the task. Similarly, dressing robots learn through observation and repetition, but with a techie twist. They are fed with countless hours of video data of humans performing dressing tasks. Advanced algorithms then process this data, identifying patterns, learning movements, and understanding nuances. But it's not just about mimicking. These robots are designed to adapt and react to different situations. So, if a sleeve isn't going on as smoothly as it should, the robot recognizes the problem and adjusts its approach. This adaptability is achieved through sensors that provide real-time feedback, allowing the robot to refine its actions continuously. Now let's add another layer of complexity. Each human body is unique, and so are their movements. A dressing robot needs to accommodate this variability. It's here that the power of machine learning comes in. The more the robot interacts with different individuals, the more it learns, and the better it gets at its task. It's like a virtuoso musician who keeps refining their craft, becoming more proficient with each performance. But how does this assist healthcare professionals? Well, think about the time and effort it takes to assist a patient with dressing. Now imagine a tool that can take over this task, doing it efficiently and patiently, allowing the healthcare professional to focus on other critical aspects of care. It's like having an extra pair of hands, isn't it? Moreover, these robots are designed with safety as a paramount feature. They are equipped with fail-safe mechanisms to ensure they cause no harm. If they encounter an unexpected obstacle or resistance, they immediately stop their action. It's like having a robot with a built-in Hippocratic oath. It's intriguing to observe how these dressing robots blend the power of artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning to create a tool that can mimic human actions, learn from experiences, and assist in tasks that were traditionally considered solely human domain. So next time you're struggling with a stubborn button or a tricky zipper, just imagine a world where a robot could lend a helping hand, quite literally. It's fascinating how these robots work, isn't it? But there's more to it. Now, the question arises. Can these dressing robots truly replace human care workers? Well, let's dive into this. Dressing robots certainly have a lot to offer. They're tireless, working round the clock without the need for rest or sleep. They're consistent, able to perform tasks with the same precision every time. And let's not forget they're immune to human ailments, meaning they won't call in sick or bring any unwanted bugs into the care environment. But these robots aren't just about practicality, they offer something more. For those who value their independence, these robots can be a game changer. They enable individuals to dress themselves without the need for human assistance. Yet, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with these robotic assistants. They come with their own set of limitations. For one, they lack the ability to adapt quickly to unexpected situations. A sudden change in the patient's health, a fall, or even a tear in the clothing, might leave these robots at a loss. And then there's the matter of empathy. Robots, no matter how sophisticated, can't provide the emotional support and human connection that care workers can. A comforting word, a gentle pat on the back, or a shared laugh, these are things that robots simply can't replicate. Now let's compare this with human care workers. Yes, they may need breaks, they may have off days, and yes, they may occasionally get sick. But they bring to the table an irreplaceable human element. They can adapt to sudden changes, they can empathize with their patients, and they can provide a level of care that is driven not just by programming but by genuine concern and compassion. So, where does this leave us? Well, it's clear that dressing robots bring a lot to the table. They can significantly enhance the quality of care and offer a level of independence to individuals that was previously unimaginable. However, they are not without their limitations. While dressing robots are revolutionary, the human touch can never be underestimated. So as we move forward, it's crucial to strike a balance between leveraging technological advancements and preserving the invaluable human element in care. What does the future hold for these dressing robots? Let's gaze into the crystal ball. As we look ahead, the future of dressing robots seems not just promising, but exhilarating. With their capability to mimic the actions of care workers, these robots are being eyed as a potential game changer in healthcare. Picture this, a world where dressing robots are commonplace, assisting not just the elderly or those with mobility issues, but anyone who could use an extra hand. Imagine robots that can be programmed to handle the delicate task of dressing a wound, or assisting with post-surgery care. Robots that can not only help a person get dressed, but also monitor their health, alerting healthcare professionals to any concerning changes. But the advancements won't stop there. With the rapid pace of technological progress, we could see dressing robots with improved dexterity and sensitivity, able to handle even the most intricate clothing items. Perhaps they'll even be able to give fashion advice, selecting outfits based on the weather, or the wearer's personal style. Of course, these are all possibilities, not certainties. But given the current trajectory, they're not as far-fetched as they might seem. As technology continues to advance, the dressing robots of the future could become an integral part of our daily lives, offering not just assistance, but companionship and care. The future of dressing robots seems promising, full of exciting possibilities. So we've traveled from the inception to the future of dressing robots, and what a journey it has been. We've seen how these ingenious inventions are revolutionizing the healthcare sector. From their humble beginnings, dressing robots have evolved into sophisticated machines capable of mimicking the actions of human care workers. We've delved into the functionality of these robots, understanding how they assist individuals with mobility issues in dressing up, providing a sense of independence and dignity. We've also compared them to human care workers, highlighting the potential of these robots to supplement human care rather than replace it. Looking into the future, we've envisioned a world where dressing robots are common in our households, nursing homes, and hospitals. Such a future is not a distant dream, but a near reality that we are marching towards. Remember, the future is not set in stone, and we are the ones shaping it. So, subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions. Until next time, keep thinking, keep exploring.